Alright friends, now we are going to check whether a file exists or not. So let's say we have a file called text.txt and we want to check if it exists or not. So to do this, we will use the file class from Java. So let's use it. I come here, I say file, and I import it. When I press enter, it imports automatically. So I say my file. I copy this, my file, equals to new file, and then I want to check text.txt exists or not. So that's why I give inside these parentheses. Alright. I delete all. The other thing also I delete. I forgot to put semicolon. So to check if the file exists, we use the method exist. So I open if condition and then what's my object name? My file. So after that I use exist method. So if it exists, what I need to do, I can print some success message. I come here, I say system.out.println and I can say file exists. Okay. So if it is not, I open my else block. So inside the parentheses I copy this and I paste here file does not exist. Alright, so I'm checking file. I have text.txt. Yes. So let's run my program. So you see file exists appears on the screen. That's all.